Most people think stuffed animals are harmless. They are wrong. For weeks, this organization operated inside my house without detection.
We also stole cereal.
What? 3 weeks ago, I noticed unusual activity near my room. Missing snacks, rearranged furniture, loud whispering at 2 a.m. That's when I found them. The gang.
Every successful operation requires intelligence. Without structure, society collapses.
You live under a desk.
Temporary headquarters.
Right.
I manage tactical planning, negotiations, and resource allocation.
What resources?
Goldfish crackers.
I'm banned from 3 rooms.
Why?
Political reasons.
That doesn't answer the question.
Neither did the government.
What government?
Exactly.
People fear what they don't understand. You're a stuffed animal. Labels are created by the weak, okay? History will remember us.
I microwaved a spoon once.
Donkey is still in training. According to Kowalski, the gang was preparing for a major operation.
Operation Night Snack.
You're stealing chips?
We prefer the term resource redistribution.
Tonight changes everything.
Can I bring fireworks?
No.
The plan failed almost immediately.
I accidentally exposed our location.
How?
Air horn.
The mission collapsed within 11 seconds.
Legends are never appreciated in their own time. You got caught stealing Doritos. History is written by the victors. At that point, I believed the organization was finished. I was wrong.
Tell them I'm coming back.